Hello guys, this is my compressor and furnace and fan. The AC stopped working yesterday, and I believe that this is the problem. And so, safety first. I want to replace with a new one. But before you replace, you have to make sure that power is turned off. That power is not flowing through there. And if you just wanted to make sure, basically this is hot. See, you can hear the voice sound. Just to test. But even before I do this, I should first make sure that I disconnect the fuse right here. See right here? Pull this one out like this. See, it's full of fuses in here. So right now, if I test this, it should not beep. See, it doesn't beep. So, and another option for more safety, you can also go and make sure you turn off your main. Let me go show you where that is. So this is where we have our main right here. So if you open here, you'll see you gotta read all that. You can see the top says AC. Those are the ones that you want to make sure they are off. Yeah, but all of them are written here, but AC is that one, the very top. You can see it's not dripped, but you can drip it just to make sure everything is safe. So I'm just gonna double check again, just to make sure it's not any hot. You know, if it's hot, I'll be electrocuted here. Anyways, so I'll start by disconnecting this, and then I'm gonna replace with a new one. This one right here. So, and let's see. This is how it looks inside. The ratings are almost the same. 45.5 microfarad, which is similar to close to this one. I can't see very well, but yeah, it's right about there. It's 440 volt AC, and that's basically what it is. This is how it looks inside. Just have a different modification. This is how this one looks like, but this is more of universal. So I'm gonna put it in there and fasten that. So it's good to have gloves. Let me go put on gloves first. Okay, so this one is off. They're color coded. One goes to the fan, one goes to the compressor, and one goes to One is just the common, and the common is just the black one. The one in the middle is the common, and then one let's see, I think the green one is gonna go to the compressor, and then the white one is gonna go to the furnace. But I just want to make sure it's correctly. I actually had to turn this one off just to make sure everything is perfect. So the AC circuit breaker is off, so now I can go back and work with no worries. So just to make sure everything is perfect, this green one, this one is goes to the fan. This is the common. This green one is the fan. This common.
You've never been sleeping?
And then this one is it's gonna go to the compressor. So the common will have 2 prongs. This is dual, so I don't have to have separate. And then on this, you can see I also have similar. This is the goes to the compressor, and then this one is the common. It has 4 prongs. The one that has 1 prong goes to the fan. So let me show you how this goes. I'm gonna disconnect this and then connect to this one. And once I connect this, there's one more step that I'll do, and then we should be good to test it. Okay. Jamie, you wanna hold my phone? So let me start with this. Again, this one goes to the fan. I'll pull this out. It's rusty, but it's fine. Then I'm gonna connect it to the fan right here. Okay, that's good. And then next I'll do the common. This one doesn't matter, whichever it goes to. This goes to the one that has 4 prongs. I'll put this one right here. I'll put this one right here. All right here. And the other one. Can go right here. Lastly, this goes to the compressor, the ham, and I'm gonna put it right here. Good. Now, next, you just need to fasten it. It might not fit, so I just need to extend this. This one all good. connections are a little bit loose. That's good. And I'm gonna put this one right there. Stays on. That's good. Otherwise, I can do this one. Use that.
Somebody's calling.
Guys, see now things are looking good so far. So there's just one more step that I need to do. I'm gonna need to go inside and I'm going to basically replace a fuse that blew yesterday. Yeah, let me take you there. So guys, I'm going to, because I basically blew my fuses yesterday. This one is blue. I put a new one yesterday, this one, and it also blue because if the power is on. If I turn it on the power, you can see it doesn't light up when I push the button. So I'm gonna pull this one out, and show you that this how you can see. See, it's kind of dark inside. That means it's blue. So I'm gonna replace with a new one, and let's check. So these are the ones I have. There are 5 of them, 5 amp, and I'm gonna pull out one. Okay, let me go there and try and see if that's. See? It blew up. It blew up again. So that's okay. Let me go back out there and just double check everything is fine. Okay, I've sealed everything up. So let me put back my fuse. That's good there. And then let's go and turn on the power. Okay, let me put another switch, fuse, and try one more time. Okay, let's see. Okay, same problem. All right, it may have another problem, so let me figure it out. So guys, I was able to determine the problem of the reason why the short was basically this part here had heated up, you can see, and this happened actually yesterday. There was a power surge which made this one blow up right there, and I basically wouldn't know because it's literally in the dark, so like it's very hard to see. Otherwise I wouldn't have lost my fuses like that. But the good thing is the machine is working. What I did is basically I had an old version of this, and so I just decided to replace it and do a few things and turn around a few things off, and as you can hear, it's working. It's running literally. So yeah, my house is cool as it's supposed to be, and everything is perfect. You see that? So yeah.